Talofa guys. It is coming up to 12 p.m. here in Samoa, just about Toonai time, and we've just finished church. And I thought, you know what, because we didn't make any umu today, and it is after Christmas, the last Sunday for this month, my wife and I are planning to take the kids and a family friend to return to paradise for their lunch menu. So I think it's Toonai menu, so we'll double check when we get there. But yeah, a bit of change up for this Sunday rather than cooking. You know, been cooking all year. Let's try out the Return to Paradise Resort, which isn't far from here, and see what the lunch menu and buffet is like. So join us, and I hope you guys enjoy this episode today. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel. If you haven't seen the previous episode, Merry Christmas to you guys. And yeah, let's we're going to pack up the kids and head down to Return to Paradise. So we've just arrived here at Return to Paradise. Wife's just sorting out our fee, and then we'll head inside. Alright guys, so we're now here at the buffet and about to head to get lunch. Alright guys, so just finally got my plate. Hands are a bit shaky, but we've got the sorry, the flies. Luau, oi kalema moi, pua'a, povi masima, veggies, oka, taro, and rice. So this will probably be the first part. I'm definitely gonna go for second, so pray for me. Abi oro kwe mengulung ngau. Abi malawi. Pakilit na yun. Uy. Makuha ko manong yan. Just finished Toonai. Everyone's pretty tired at the moment, including myself. So yeah, just relaxing here at the game area before we head off home. Alright fam, so we're about to head off now. We'll do a quick review when we get home. Very tired, very full, but I hope you guys enjoyed the Sunday Toonai today. Alright fam, we are finally back at home. Had a good Toonai with the family and a return to paradise. I think overall it was a very good experience. The food was great. I actually loved the pork belly, the lamb curry, and what was the other one I had? Povi masima. Those were one of my favorites today. One downfall, which I don't think is much of a big problem, was that the replacement of the carbs, so the rice and the taro, was quite delayed. I had to come back for a second round, and even in the second round I couldn't find any, so I had to steal some off Siava's plate. But all in all, I think it was worth the money. So if you do get a chance, check out the Sunday Toonai at Return to Paradise if you're in Samoa. I think it's very good, worth the money. Also, the dessert was very nice. The cheesecake was really good. I really love the cheesecake. The kids, I think, had about up to 15 slices of cheesecake. They probably had the whole cheesecake, to be honest. But yeah, we really enjoyed today's Toonai with the family and our family friend here with their kids at Return to Paradise. So hope you guys enjoyed the content today. I'm about to sign off, get some rest because I am super bloated and full at the moment. Also, I was just about to sign off, but I remembered I met one of the fans today, Papa Ali and his wife Lupe. If you see, then also gave me a very kind donation. So thank you, Papa Ali and your wife. You guys see that? Bit of American dollars. Thank you to Bali and his wife. They are supporters of our channel, I think in America. But also met one of the other fans from Sydney, Jay there. Jay, surprisingly, is from Safatua, so the same village where I currently live in. So it was nice to meet Jay from Sydney, but also Papali and his wife Lupe from America. It's always I always feel humbled when I get to meet the fans because it's an opportunity for me to meet the people that enjoy the channel, much as like you guys. So I do feel a bit humbled. I'm just a farmer, yet, you guys I think very high of me. So I really appreciate it. And I thank you for allowing me into your homes as a source of entertainment every now and then. So big thank you to all our viewers around the world, wherever you're watching our channel. For the support, guys. But I'm about to sign off. This is probably going to be the last video for 2025 when it pops out. So happy New Year's, guys, if you get this by New Year's Eve. And I hope you guys have enjoyed our content this year. Looking forward to more great content coming up next year. But for me and everyone here at Salmon Farmer here in the village, here on the farm, Tofaso Fuan, we'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. But until then, God bless, take care, stay safe. We'll see you guys soon, and Happy New Year's.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of auld lang syne? For auld lang syne, my dear, for auld lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of auld lang syne. We twa run about the braes and put the gowans fine, but we wandered many a weary fit since days of auld lang syne. We twa had paddled in the burn frae morning sun till dine, but seas between us braid hae roared since days of auld lang syne. For auld lang syne, my dear, for auld lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of auld lang syne. And surely you'll be your pints too, and surely I'll be mine, and we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for auld lang syne. And there's a hand, my trusty fear, and gies a hand o' thine, and we'll talk a right good willy what for auld lang syne. For auld lang syne, my dear, for auld lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for auld lang syne. For auld lang syne, my dear, for auld lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for auld lang syne.